How to fix Fortnite stuttering issue on Windows PC. 1. Check if your PC meets the minimum hardware requirements. Upgrade your hardware if needed. 2. Install the latest patch. 3. Update your graphics driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 4. Lower video setting in Fortnite. 5. Turn off Windows game mode. 6. Set Fortnite-related processes to high priority via WTM. Reported items include Fortnite client win64 shipping.exe, Fortnite client win64 shipping_eac.exe and Fortnite launcher.exe. 7. Restrict applications and downloads in the background via WTM. 8. Change the power plan of your PC and adjust your Windows system for the best performance. 9. Modify your graphics card settings. 9.1. If you're using NVIDIA graphics card, enable use by preference emphasizing and drag the slider to the left. 9.2. If you're using AMD graphics card, modify global gaming settings like this. 9.3. If you're using Intel graphics card, 9.3.1 add Fortnite into the 3D application list. 9.3.2 modify the subsettings like this.